Good afternoon, everyone. My name is S. Vishnuvardhan, lecturer in Mechanical Department, Government Polytechnic Vaddapalli. Fourth semester for diploma candidates. Manufacturing Technology 2 subject code C18 subject code C18M405C. Topic means surface finishing processes. Subtopic introduction of finishing processes, lapping, advantages of lapping, honing. Okay. Now, finishing processes introduction. The heat generated during grinding tends to distort. Means it is a disturbance and distort, pull or twist out of shape the surface of the work. After machining or grinding to improve accuracy and surface finish. Firstly, surface finishing means when its completion of after completion of grinding operation after completion of machining operation, and it can be to require a surface finishing process. So we will doing a surface finishing process after machining or grinding to increase the surface finish. Such operations include lapping, honing, super finishing, polishing, burnishing, etc. These are the operations of the finishing processes. First one is the lapping operation. Lapping operation is a abrasive materials. Cutting tool materials is a abrasive particles, and it is used to improve the surface finish and to obtain small changes in dimensions or obtain almost perfect contact between two mating surfaces. Generally, it is a softer than the work material, because when doing the lapping operation is softer than the work material, then it will be increasing a surface finishing. Lapping materials, it is generally it is used to cast iron and graphite in the cast iron serves to hold the abrasive particles and to provide lubricating effect. Next, lapping materials is a cast iron, copper alloys, lead, plastic, and wool. Hard material for lap is generally selected for soft abrasive. Note this point. Hard material for lap is generally used for soft abrasive, and silicon carbide is used for rapid stock removal, and aluminum oxide for improved surface finish. This is the lapping operation figure, and it is a generally it is used in bearing places, automobile parts. That is the abrasive particles, lapping, wool, workpieces, lapping process. In the lapping process, abrasive particles is divided to three parts. That is the hard abrasive, small abrasive, and medium abrasive. That grades has a divided for depending on the surface finishing processes. Next, lapping pressure range of 0.01 to 0.2 Newton per mm square. The surface roughness in order of 0.05 to 0.4 mm. Lapping can be done by hand or machine. These are the lapping operation can be done by two processes, that is the hand operation or machining process. First one is the hand lapping. Is a work is held by hand and a relative motion is produced between them. The rubbing of contacting surfaces, and it is used in engine valves and valve seats. Means hand lapping means the workpiece is held on the one hand, and other hand is taken to the lapping wheel, and it can be rubbed on the contact the workpieces, and it can be removed a small amount of particles. Then it is a to increasing the surface finishing. Next one, other method is the machine lapping. It is performed for highly finished surface in mass production. Many components like ball bearings, worm and worm gates, various automobile parts. Next one is the advantage of lapping process. Less heat is generated, and there is no distortion of work surface. During the lapping operation, there is no noisy, because lapping wheel is softer than the workpiece, so there is no friction on the lapping operation. So due to low temperature on any material, this process can perform and can be used for finishing for flat or cylindrical surfaces and holes. In the lapping operation, some different shapes of workpieces can be done. Just like as a flat workpieces, cylindrical surfaces, and the advantage of lapping operation to improve the high surface finish and rate of production is high. In the lapping operation, any skilled any labor worker can do this work. Means there is no knowledge of on the lapping operation. Just he knows a grinding operation, and he will be doing this lapping operation. And this can remove burrs on material. Burr means it is a when cutting the workpieces, that edges is a small chips to contain a small chips, and that chips is removed, that removes that chips is called burrs. That can also be removing on lapping operation. Next one is the disadvantages of lapping. It can remove only a limited amount of material because it is a softer than the workpiece material. So it is a after completion of grinding operation or machining operation, so surface finishing is required very high. So when the surface finishing is very high, to removing a material very less. Where is the small amount of material can be removed, the surface finishing is increasing. Although where is the heavy amount of material removed on the workpiece, then the less surface finishing is increased. So here lapping operation is a very small amount of material can be removed. So it is a very slow, and metal removal rate is also low. Machining allowances for lapping is 0.0052 to 0.02 mm. It required high skilled operation, and process cost is high. Means lapping tool cost is a high. Next topic is the applications of lapping operation. Means where it can be used. Lapping operation means lapping operation process where it can be used. That is the used for the ball and roller bearings, gauges, valves, and valves. Used for jig bushes, making smooth holes and pins. Surface plates, injectors in diesel engines. It can be applied for both metals and non-metals. It is a similar. It is a both metals can be done. It is the materials and non-materials. And next one is the honing operation. This is the honing tool. Honing tool is the abrasive process performed by a set of bonded abrasive sticks using a combination of rotational and oscillation movement. Honing is a finishing process in which the honing tool rotates and reciprocates in the stationary hole being honed. It is used on holes and bores which require a fine surface finish and a high degree of accuracy. It can also be used to correct out of roundness, taper and distortion of bore. And honing tool grid sizes ranges between 30 and 600 mm. Surface finish of 0.12 micrometer, in brackets 5 micrometer inches or better surface finish. Honing tool is an expanding mandrel on which abrasive sticks are mounted as shown in figure. The abrasives used for honing are silicon carbide, aluminum oxide, diamond or cubic boron nitrate. Silicon carbide is used for honing cast iron and non-ferrous metals, and aluminum oxide is used for steel pots. Diamond is suitable for honing ceramics or hard carbides. This is the honing process. For honing, the horn is inserted into the hole and adjusted to bear against the walls. Work is kept stationary and the metal is removed as a result of rotary as well as reciprocating motion of the horn in the hole. A cutting fluid, kerosene. Cutting fluid means kerosene is used to remove chips and to keep temperature low. It is important to see that the horn should not leave the work surface, and stroke length must cover the entire work length. Depending upon the work material, honing speed may vary from 0.25 to 1 meter per second, and honing pressure is in the range of 1 to 3 Newton per mm square. Surface roughness obtained in this process is in the order of 0.1 to 0.8 mm. Honing can be performed on lathe or drilling machine, but better result can be obtained on the honing machine of production work. Honing is a honing operation is a rotating tool carrying abrasive removes metal from the interior surface of bore or cylinder. The main purpose is to finish the surface to a particular diameter and geometric cylindricity. A typical production cycle is to drill, ream, heat treatment, then hone. Sometimes the operation may only require drilling and honing operation. The honing operation typically removes from 0.001 to 0.10 inches in brackets 0.03 to 0.3 mm of material in a process that competes effectively as a finishing process with boring and grinding. Honing tool is the most commonly done on internal cylinder walls using a combined rotating and a reciprocating motion. Reciprocating motion means it is a horizontal direction or vertical direction, can be moving. Here lapping operation is the honing operation is the internally bored holes can be done. Honing speeds are quite slow relative to grinding, but that it does not mean slow metal removal. Means it is a very slow amount of material can be removed, and it has a honing tool has a abrasive sticks, totally dozens of abrasive sticks can be removed, and honing tool is removing a very light amount of material and to increase the surface finish. Honing tool it is an expanding handle on which the abrasive sticks are mounted. The abrasive used for honing are silicon carbide, aluminum oxide, diamond, or cubic boron nitride. Lapping pressure is generally kept in the range of 0.01 to 0.2 Newton per mm square. The surface roughness obtained in this process is in the order of 0.5 to 0.4 mm. And the honing process is inserted into the hole and adjusted to the bear against the walls. Work is stationary and the metal is removed as a result of rotary as well as reciprocating motion of the horn in the hole. It is used to remove chips and to keep temperature very low. It is important to see that the horn should not leave the work surface and stroke length must cover the entire work length. Depending on the work material, horning speed may vary from 0.25 to 1 meter per second, and horning pressure is in the range of 1 to 3 Newton per mm square. Surface roughness obtained in this process is in the order of 0.1 to 0.8 mm. Horning can be performed on lathe or drilling machine, but better result can be obtained on horning machine for production of work. It is silicon carbide is used for horning high cast iron and non-ferrous metals, and aluminum oxide is used for steel parts. And next one is the advantage and disadvantage of horning. Hole of any diameter or length can be finished. Means there is no limited diameters, so it can be doing any different types of diameters can be finishing operation. High productivity and low cost. Relatively high productivity and low cost in comparison with other hole finishing method. Removes considerable amount of material, and it is faster and more accurate than internal grinding. Next one is the disadvantages. Horning cannot correct diametric or axial runout of the bore. And it is not suitable for horning of tough non-ferrous materials, and it is faster and more accurate than internal grinding. Not suitable for horning or tough non-ferrous metals due to glazing or clogging of the pores of the abrasive sticks. Clogging is the damage of the abrasive sticks is called clogging. And next one is the applications of horning. Horning is employed for gun barrels, bearing holes, valve guides, bushes, diesel engine cylinder, bore, hub holes in gears and gear boxes. And next is the difference between lapping and Honing. Next topic. In lapping, uses either loose or bonded abrasive for finishing operations, and honing operation is uses only bonded abrasive for finishing operations. And in lapping operation, this method workpiece is rotated. It is the quite opposite of the honing operation. In this method, workpiece is not rotated. Cutting tool is rotated, workpiece is stationary. And it is not lapping operation, it is not stock removal process. Means it is a removal very slow amount of material, and it is the opposite of the lapping operation is a honing operation. Honing operation is a stock removal process, means it is a removing heavy amount of materials. And in lapping operation, it is intended to obtain flat and smooth surface. And honing process, it is intended for sizing and finishing the hole. Sizing and finishing the hole. And in lapping operation, face plate is used as a tool. Then honing operation, it has a multi abrasive sticks, means it has a dozens of abrasive sticks are attached to the barrel. It is a workpiece is removed amount of material. So lapping operation is the abrasive particles are loose bonded, and honing operation abrasive particles are bonded to honing stone. Honing stone. As lapping operation is the slow metal removal process, not intended to remove stock and used to remove scratch marks left by grinding. Can be considered as a stock removal process and used to size and finish the only bored holes. This is the lapping operation and honing operation. And next one is the super finishing process. Next topic is the super finishing process. Super finishing is a special technique for producing fine quality surface finish by using abrasive sticks. In super finishing, abrasive sticks reciprocates with short strokes across the surface of rotating workpiece. A controlled amount of pressure is applied to the abrasive stick To affect the surface cutting, a mixture of kerosene and oil is used as cutting fluid in super finishing. Super finishing is a applied for external or internal surfaces which have been previously ground or precision toned pots made from cast iron, steel or non-ferrous metals can be successfully super finished. Surface roughness obtained in the super finishing is in the order of 0.05 to 0.2 micrometer. In this process is one type of honing in which the compared to the honing less pressure, high speed, huge amount of lubricate, coolant of low viscosity and more contact area between work and abrasive phase is kept. Less heat is produced during super finishing. After completing the machining, grinding, lapping and honing can be performed a super finishing operation, and it is generally done on externally surfaces. Honing operation can be done on internally surfaces. Lapping operation is a flat or cylindrical workpieces, and super finishing process is a externally surfaces. It is very important points of the differences of the lapping, honing and super finishing operations. Sometimes in ESET bids or competitive exam bids can be asked, will be asked. This is the abrasive, sorry, it is the super finishing of the operation can be externally surfaces can be performed. And next, advantages of super finishing. Due to large area of contact, low working temperature due to low heat generation, increasing pot life, decreasing wear, closer tolerances, higher load bearing surfaces and elimination of break-in period. Disadvantages: macro geometrical surfaces errors cannot be corrected by super finishing. In your book, applications of a super finishing is used for finishing flat or cylindrical surfaces. Due to low pressure surfaces, flat or cylindrical surfaces due to low pressure involved. It is particularly suitable for finishing delicate parts. The applications of super finishing include the finishing of automobile cylinders, bearings, piston and clutch plates, seal faces on pump housings, packing glands and bearing races. In super finishing is a special technique for producing a fine quality surface finish by using abrasive sticks. In super finishing, abrasive sticks means tool. Super finishing tool has a abrasive sticks. It has a reciprocates with short strokes across the surface of the rotating workpiece. A controlled amount of pressure is applied to the abrasive stick to affect the surface cutting. A mixture of kerosene and oil is used as cutting fluid in super finishing. Super finishing is applied for external or internal surfaces. Honing operation is the